In the boot camp, we came with the idea, first and foremost, to get partnerships, networking and mentorships, because the level we're trying to get to, we know we don't have enough knowledge for it. So by partnering with Herizon and its resources, we know they'll take us there.
In the bootcamp so far has been the financial planning session that we had, where we were able to look up some of the important things we need to do when it comes to planning our businesses. Things like record keeping. We got to realize that record keeping is very important because you're able to understand the financial health of your company by looking at your balance sheets and income statements.
Traditionally, you create your product, then figure out your customer. Well, our mind has just been blown today trying to figure out